What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. This is a video for the new customers. I get this question a lot. Can I import my uh, like customers from a different software? Yes, but only three things that you can import. You can import the customers' information only, not the vehicles, and the inventory and the tires inventory. It's under configuration right here. Just go to import customers. We switched now to CSV file that way because I like Excel, but everybody have Excel, and Excel is expensive, and now they have an online version. We literally can't keep up, so we switch it back to CSV file. The limit is a comma basically, so which is the standard, right? All you have to do to import your customers from a CSV file, just make sure the header look like this, and that's about it. Just make sure the header looks like this. Even let's say you don't have a memo, it doesn't matter. Just just leave it empty, right? As long as the header is like that, you should be good. And you can do the same thing with general inventory. Same thing. You gotta have the header CSV file too, and tires inventory header is a little bit different because it's more complicated. I'm just going to give you an example of how I'm just going to import general inventory right here. And that's how it looks like. So, I mean, if you're on a local database, it's a lot faster. If you're on a cloud, obviously, it's still fast. At least you can see the progress now, how long it's going to take. It's not like before, and that's it. And you're all set. So, anyway, appreciate you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.